We'd like to invite Sri Mohan Babuji to say a few words.
Namaste, Guruji. All the states and all the countries, everybody came here. Welcome. Namaskar to everybody. I don't know English very well. There will be grammatical mistakes. My mother tongue is Telugu. I can understand, but what is the English, what is the Hindi, what is the Kannada? But I will speak in Telugu and English also. I will try to speak. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Mohan Babu acted 550 movies, produced 80 pictures. We have Mohan Babu University also, and giving 25% free education irrespective of their caste and creed. Now, one day, Guruji, I want to speak little more. I'm in Hyderabad. One friend called me, hey, you come to Bangalore. I said, what for? Where? I am in Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Gurudev Ji Ashram. You please come. I said, what man? Why should I come? That person is Rajinikanth. Hey, I am with my daughter. You come with your wife. Are what for? Are there Guruji? But what Guru? To whom he is Guru? What for? No, you heard his name? No, ఆయన పేరు విన్నావా? విన్నాను. ఆయన పేరు వింటే మరి ఏంట్రా? There are so many persons in India. Every Guruji, everybody says there are so many persons. I don't want to come. He scolded me. Come on. Then okay, I told him, I will come. I will put only Namaskar, that's all. I don't want to touch his feet. I don't want. Okay, Raj, you come, he said. I came with my wife. And I asked him, he is going to give any money to me if I come? First of all, you come, he said. I came. Night to 10 o'clock, he asked us to come. వెళ్ళి ఆయన చూసిన తర్వాత సాష్టాంగ దండ ప్రణామం చేశాను. ఇది వాస్తవం. This is the truth. I said only put namaskaram, now sastanga namaskaram I did for Guruji. Even now, I am feeling something great after telling his name. His name, Ravi, sun. He is giving brightness, Ravi. Shankar, Srishti, Sthiti, Laya, Karakudu, Parameswara. He is having both the names, Ravi Shankar Gurudev. After seeing him, what a personality. What he is doing. I think I say proudly, he is the only one man in India doing like this, like this. अरे बच्चों, मेरे को खाने को पैसा नहीं. I was suffering. I was platform. I am trying as an actor. Actor को ट्राई करते हैं मद्रास में. मैं सोचा एक दिन कोई भी खाना देते, कोई भी नहीं देना. Now, ये परब्रह्म स्वरूप ब्रह्म विष्णु महेश्वर गुरुजी आपको पिता माता तल्ली तंड्री गुरु दैवम आपके लिए. It is not so easy. I know I was hungry, but now you are having good education. Parabrahma Swarup hai Guruji. You must think always, आपका Talli Tandri Guru Daivam. Who is the Talli Tandri Guru? The only Ravi Shankar Gurudev ji. You are so lucky. अरे कहाँ से आए आप? Where is the place? Mizoram. So many countries, so many students. Why he is having all these things? What for? He can live. Parents have given birth to him. He can live happily with family. No. He wants to do something for the nation, who is the poor people. See, we heard Mahabharat, Krishna Paramatma, he said, in family, no fighting, be together. Whether it is a success or not, that is different. But example I am telling. Now this Gurudev went Colombo. I think everybody knows about it. There was a big fight. Colombo, LTT, I think so. He said, be together. Be together, no negative, always positive. He was successful. He was successful. Like that he did extraordinary things in India. He is a self-made man. ये भगवान का आशीर्वाद, ये भगवान का आशीर्वाद नहीं तो we would come here. Swadarshana Kriya, it is not an ordinary thing. If you think, if you pray, if you practice, you will be something great, you achieve everything. My dear friends, how many persons, every day 35,000 pilgrims they are coming and eating free food here. One meal we can't give 35,000 every day. How can 40,000, 50,000 people he is feeding? It is not so easy. You came here for what? సంతోషాన్ని కావాలనుకునే వాళ్ళకి సంతోషం దొరకదు. I want happiness means you won't get happiness. సంతోషం తెలుసుకునే వాళ్ళకు సంతోషం దొరుకుతుంది. If you want to know what is mean by happiness, if you come here, then you can know from Guruji. Without coming here, I want happiness. Where? It is from the trees. Where it will come? You must know. That is Krishna Paramatma said. That he will give. Atma, Antaratma, Paramatma. He is that. He is full body of positive energy. He is thinking about the nation. He is thinking about the poor students. You must achieve. You must study well. Get a good marks, good name for the Guruji and the nation, my dear students. I love you all. It is my Purajanma Sukrit. Guru is necessary for everybody. Talli, Tandri, Guru, not God. Guru, after mother and father. First Guru is elementary school teacher. Abdul Kalam ji said. School teacher is the first Guru. And he is the second Guru, third Guru, 100 Gurus. He is the Guru for us. You come here, come every day, or you pray, take his photo, see his photo, and do Swadrasana Kriya. You are going to achieve many things. Guruji, again I am telling it is a Purajanma Sukrit. Purajanma Sukritam. నాకు మీరు గురువుగా లభించడం, నేను మీకు సాష్టాంగ హృదయపూర్వకంగా మీ పాదాల దగ్గర ఉంటాను. మీరంటే నాకు ఇష్టం, నా కుటుంబానికి ఇష్టం. నేను మీరు పిలిచి మీ పక్కన కూర్చోబెట్టుకుంటే చాలా అద్భుతంగా ఆనందంగా ఫీల్ అయ్యాను. అలాగే మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్, we both acted as a villains. Sir, I came to your place, I have seen the Lord, the Bhagwan Hanumanji temple and other two persons. Thank you, sir. And once again, thank you very much. And తల్లిదండ్రుల ఆశీస్సులతో, ప్రకృతి ఆశీస్సులతో, ప్రకృతి మీద ఆల్మైటీ ఆశీస్సులతో, పంచభూతాల ఆశీస్సులతో 125 సంవత్సరాలు 125 years you must live with good health and wealth. I pray all almighties to bless you and your blessings for us. Thank you, Guruji. And the lotus, I brought beautiful garland for you. You must accept the garland. And you must get up and say happy birthday to Guruji. Come on. Get up.
We now request the superstar of Indian cinema, the legendary Talaivar Shri Rajnikant ji, to address this auspicious gathering. Jai Gurudev.
Okay. Yes, sir. Pranam, Gurudev. And sir? Oh, okay. Okay, sir. Mix. Okay. And Honorable Central Minister, Transport and Highway Minister, respected Gadkari ji, and devotees of Gurudev, the advanced souls. Good evening to everybody. Just 3 days before, Prashant Nair, he called me and he told Guruji want to talk to me. So Gurudev came on the phone and he told me, I am also entering your regime. 70 years, I am 76. So he never celebrated birthday. He said his devotees are insisted. So my birthday is there, and 45th year of this ashram's celebration. If you are free, if you have no shooting, if you are okay, 12th or 13th, come for 10 minutes. That was Guruji's order. See, insisting, if there is no shooting, if you are completely free, come. So I came here, So Prashantji said, what is the function? It's a satsang. Satsang means usually I have seen some 50 people or 60 people. That is called satsang actually where I have been to in Himalayas, ashram, wherever. He says, satsang, how many people will be? Some 10,000, 15,000. You want me to speak? Yes, definitely. In what language I want me to speak to them? I am comfortable. I was born and brought up in Karnataka, Kannada, Marathi, mother tongue. In home we used to take Marathi and Kannada. 25 years I was here, worked as a bus conductor, all know that. So then actually I went to Chennai, Tamil Nadu. From last 52 years, I am there in Chennai. So I forgotten Kannada, sorry. In the sense, there is no one actually to talk to me in there. So touch bitpudide ashte. Kannada martilla, touch bitpudide ashte. So Tamil matarada, no sir, better actually you speak in English or Hindi, then only people will understand. They said, okay, let me try my best. So I'm here, I don't know, in front of Gurudev, with all you I am. First of all, I want to talk some few words about Nitin Gadkari ji. First time I met him in 2001, one cricket match, World Cup held in Bombay, Venkat Stadium, World Cup. So we were all with family, we went there and we saw completely, it was historic win. Full jubilant and completely all full commotion and everything, celebration and all. So after the match we started coming, but there is no car at all. We don't know where the car was. Somewhere it was parked. So a lot of people, at the time the Robo picture was released and so much fans, they coming and gathering, taking photos and everything. It was so difficult to cross the road. So I was actually, Mrs. also was not well. I don't know, 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers. Because all the governors, chief ministers, MPs, ministers, cars are going, convoy. So we don't know. So then suddenly one car with red light, one car just stopped, reversed. Inside, Gadkari ji. Rajni ji, kya kar rahe ho? Kahan ja rahe ho? Nahi, car udhar hai, baitho andar. So completely he told all security people, his secretary and everything, utro up. So completely we were all there in the car. He said, kahan jana hai? Hotel. अरे होटल जाना है नहीं, कार ढूंढना है तो मुश्किल होगा, अब कार में जाना है तो 2 hours लगेगा, बिकॉज ट्रैफिक कब ये हो गया, मैं आपको ड्रॉप करूँगा. So on the way he took home and he treated. And after that whenever he comes to Chennai, he will grace to come my home. He's such a wonderful person, excellent, his achievements, the roads, the beautiful highway roads because of Gadkari ji. In politics, everybody, not many people, that is the political world. Not many friends, only enemies. But no enemy for Gadkari ji. Everyone respects him. He not demand respect, he commands respect. I'm so happy to share a day with him. And Gurudev ji, actually I have seen Gurudev ji in photos, in TVs, some videos and everything, but I never saw till 3 years before in person. So once actually from Bangalore I was about to go to Chennai, but some technical problem, the flight was not on time. So the crew actually in the airport, they said, please sit in a lounge. So anytime they will announce, then we can go. So I was waiting, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, nothing. Then suddenly in that lounge, actually everybody is completely like electrifying. Everybody is happy, jumping, so much this thing, everybody going through door. I thought some prime minister has come, something like that. I saw the Gurudev standing there. So much actually, then he came and he sat in front of me. So just how you are everything. Just I'm saying straight 3 feet away, Gurudev. I could see so much happiness in his face. Face, eyes, eyebrow, chin, lip, hair, body. No, it is jubilant. Jubilant. I was only looking at him. It was like some poorest man, if he gets some 50 crores lottery, how happy he would be. Like that happiness. And I have seen saints, but this is amazing. Then Swamiji invited me, come ashram, so we'll go to Himalayas. Here also you experience it. You can definitely, I'm telling you, you will enjoy ashram, he said. So I got time, then a 2 days plan. I came here, first time I'm entering inside. A beautiful villa is there, they provided me. So what a beautiful, I never imagined. What a beautiful ashram, full greenery, lake, and people all smile, happiness in their face. Even maids, Gurkhas, gardener, everybody. There is elephant, horses, hundreds of cows, and 2 horses. One horse's name is Rajini. And morning, Vedagosha, hundreds of Nachiketa, Prahalada, that kind of children. What a fantastic. I enjoyed the presence really. After Himalayas, really I enjoyed this ashram. And I planned for 2 days, but I stayed for 15 days. And on that trip, so Gurudev once told me, in the evening, some auspicious day that day, am I taking too much time, Gurudev?
Yeah, take your time.
Some auspicious day, lot of bhaktas, devotees were hundreds, thousands were there. So Gurudev told me, I'm going to give a darshan. Can you come with me? He said, Gurudev, it's a lot of disturbance for you if I come with you. I told him, no problem, no disturbance, come. I thought naturally people will there, they will know, Rajini, autograph, sign, gain, photo, video. When I come there, I saw a lot of Tamil people also. I said, my God, what to do? Gurudev called, okay. Gurudev was sitting left side, I was sitting right side. He said, come pretty bhaktas throughout, complete thousands, they're standing. To be frank with you, I'm not lying. Not even a single person looked at me. Forget about photo, signature, not even a single person. I am waving hi, no one looked at me. No, I went with many politicians, my industrialists, and also, but they crushed my ego actually. So after reaching Villa, Gurudev asked, no disturbance, he said. इधर डिस्टर्ब हो गया इधर डिस्टर्ब हो गया That is the power of spirituality. That is the power of spirituality. Stardom comes and goes. A limited time it stays. But this stardom is supreme stardom. Even after their demise, the stardom stays forever. In fact, it grows multiple. It grows. Manava janma doddado adu hani madikollabedi huchapagidira. Purandaradasa, great saint, his human birth is very auspicious. Don't spoil it, you mad people. To get human birth is not so easy. After getting human birth, yes, healthy body, peaceful mind, to get good mind is very difficult. After getting that, to wish to know yourself, it is very difficult. After human birth, good health, and after wish to know yourself, then to teach you, to lead you, getting a good guru, is very difficult. Getting good guru, not that kind of gurus. So after getting such a wonderful guru like Sri Sri, we should not miss this opportunity. Guruvina gulama nagotanaka doryadanna mukuti. Yes. I think Chikkamangaluru in Bhadra River, near Bhadra River, in 10 days of silence in penance, actually he was blessed with Sudarshana Kriya. There is two yogas, Bhakti Yoga and Tantra Yoga. Bhakti Yoga is a devotion, repetition of holy name. Yes, repetition of holy name with faith, with 100% faith, with devotion. If you repeat it, you will get moksha. So many saints, mere repeating holy name, they will get moksha. They realize the self. Tantra is a technique. Mantra transformed into pranayam, practiced in Mudugala, the spinal cord. So Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anata, Vishuddha, Agna, Sahasrara, and Vishishta. That technique, there is a shortcut of getting God consciousness. That is actually Swamiji Gurudev is completely we are so blessed actually, because these are the ancient techniques, very secret and very sacred. All rishis and saints actually, they won't reveal so easily. You have to be there with their 30 years, 40 years. You have to serve them. Then only you will get initiation. A small story actually. One king was there, and he has some very good prime minister, very good chief minister, very excellent, very wisdom, and very talented. He was the right hand of that king. And without him, actually, he won't do anything. That is his capability. One day the minister came and actually, Raja, please, king, allow me, relieve me actually. I will go to Himalayas, I want to become a sannyasi. He said, what fool you are, what sannyasi, why you were going there? Here you do japa, you do mantra, whatever you want you do. No, enough is enough. So I am going, leave me. So he went. So he said, actually, without him, actually, he struggled. He was not actually comfortable. Some 5 years after that sannyas, that mantri, that minister, he came to his town. So they told Mantri, he has come. Oh, call him. He said, he won't come. You have to go. Okay, right. So the king went there. He saw some kuti, small kuti, and just mat actually, and sitting there he is. One just pot of water is there. King was standing there. You fool, what you attained? Attained everything, and you sitting here there. What you are doing here? So the minister actually, who was saying this thing, said, King, when you were with you, when you were minister, when I was minister, you were a king, I was standing in front of you. Sorry, I am standing in front of you, now you are standing in front of me. That is the power of spiritual person. That is the power of spiritual person that attracts. That is the ultimate. That's why even PM to Gadkari, everybody is here. That is the power. That is the power. Spiritual power. Make use of that. Really being near him, to hear his voice. His drishti is a son of, I am blessed, sitting here, spending so much time. All this is because of Guru's grace, God's grace. God bless. Gurudev, please be with us. We want, of course, with healthy body, you should be there physically, you should be there long time. And I pray God your good health. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you.